Hi children, today let us learn about patterns. Already you know patterns chapter. This is part 2 of explaining textbook. Binny and Ginny were going to home. On the way they saw some people making the pyramids. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. And these patterns using tiles they made this pattern and this is what they saw. And uh, when they will go to home they are seeing this type of pattern. On reached home they saw their mother's saree hanging a rope. It is also a nice design with different colors. Your children, you just see here a nice design with different colors. Next, in evening they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary of wall. Iron grills of boundary of wall. Look at the grills. Binny said, these same grills make a different patterns in our window at home. Okay, using this same grids we can make different patterns, and this is one more using this type of grills. And we see many such patterns around us on tiles, cloths. Children, we see many such patterns around us on tails, cloths, dowries. Okay. Bolu has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching with pieces of the same pattern. In these four pieces, which one will be match this shawl? And this is why, because you just observe this pattern here, and this one only matching piece. Next, Madhav wants to make a pattern on gate using this symbol only. Okay, using this symbol, how many patterns he can make, we just see. Can you guess which of this cannot be formed with this? Using this, in this 5, which cannot be formed? Children, this is why, because this design and this design is different, and this is also, and this is also. Okay, these two only we can made. Fill up the blanks boxes to complete the pattern. Okay, using colors, same colors uses complete the pattern. Okay, leaf patterns. Using one leaf we can make different patterns. See these 5 leaves patterns. Here you just observe leaves are there and some different positions. Okay, you just observe some different positions in these leaves are there. Here one up, one down, one up, one down, and one up. Next one is one down. Up, right, up, right, up. Next one right, down, up, means right, left, or left, right, right, left, like this. Means left, right, left, right, left, right, down, down, up, up, down, down. Next one leaves up, up. Now you also make some patterns with arrows in your notebooks using same directions, but here we are using arrow marks. In this leaves place we are using arrow marks. Look at the pattern and fill up the boxes. Okay, fill up the boxes. Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, and up arrow, up arrow, up arrow, same. And 1, 2, 3, next how many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up arrows, down arrows, up arrows, down arrows. Next, up, down, up, down. And same, triangle, 2 circles, triangles, 2 circles. Like this, you just fill these boxes. Next, number patterns. Using number patterns. Let us look at some patterns with numbers. Fill in the numbers in the blank spaces of each pattern. Here some blank spaces is there. We just fill these places. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers and difference is 2. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Here different. Here how much adding? Plus 3. And here also 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Like this we are doing. Second one, Tinku frog jumps over 2 numbers and reaches the third number. Where will you Tinku go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. First 3, next 1, 2, 3, 6, next 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 21, 1, 2, 3, 24. Okay. Tinku jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. 10th stone. 18 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 10, 38. 38 plus 10, 48. 48 plus 10, 58. 58 plus 10, 68. 68 plus 10, 78. Like this also read and write what comes next. Children, fill these patterns. What will come next? Yourself. Okay. And same thing, Kittu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. Now you also collect some leaves and arrange the different patterns. Also draw patterns using matchsticks and leaves. You are also collect and make different patterns. Thank you, children.